Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable iMessage on an iPhone. Let's get started. So in order to use iMessage, the first thing we need to do is make sure the service is turned on. Go into settings on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in to your Apple ID. If you don't already have one, you'll need to create an Apple ID because an Apple account is required to use iMessage. Once you're signed in, scroll all the way down and tap on Apps. From there, scroll down again until you find Messages under the M section and tap on it. Here, if you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to enter your Apple ID email and password. Go ahead and sign in, or create an Apple ID if you haven't done so yet. Now, make sure iMessage is turned on. Tap on Send and Receive, and confirm that your phone number or email address is selected and linked to iMessage. Once that's done, you're all set, as long as your iPhone is connected to the internet through Wi-Fi or cellular data. When you open the Messages app and send a message to someone who also uses iMessage, either on an iPhone or another Apple device, you'll see the message bubble turn blue instead of green. Blue messages mean they're being sent through iMessage using Apple's servers, not through your mobile carrier. This is different from regular SMS messages and is usually faster and more secure. And that's how you enable and use iMessage on your iPhone. It's a simple and convenient way. Thanks for watching.